And we are in downtown Dallas to see the digital mapping on the side of the Praetorian building for the movie The Tourist.
Up there.
Are you excited?
So we checked out the digital mapping, which was really, really cool. Obviously had a big wow factor in the whole idea of how the hell did they do that, which made it really, really engaging. There was a big crowd stayed after as well. So, you know, they were handing out tchotchkes, and obviously it had a big effect. There was a big crowd, although I'm still not sure how everybody heard about it. I know Chrissy heard about it from a tweet, from one random tweet, but other than that, nobody had really heard about it. But still ended up being really, really cool.
Yeah, and after the show actually ended, they were trying to capture people's data. So they actually had a huge touch screen where people could enter their phone number in, which was great. Everybody wanted to interact with it, and you know, thought it was very cool, and were trying to put their number in. The problem was it didn't work that great. So the technology maybe wasn't quite there, but for the most part, it was interesting to see that people actually wanted to engage and wanted to give their information because they just had such a great experience.
Probably didn't help the hundreds of hands touching it either.
Really?